Welcome to the best picks. The best bifold door hardware is probably one of the most overlooked aspects of home improvement, yet it's absolutely crucial for a smooth and reliable operation of your bifold doors. Today, we're diving deep into the world of bifold door hardware kits, exploring what makes a great kit, and helping you choose the perfect one to ensure your doors glide effortlessly for years to come. We'll cover everything from track systems to hinges and pivots. Number 5. Primeline N7534 Bifold Door Repair Kit. Is your bifold door giving you trouble? This repair kit is designed to restore your door system to its optimal performance. It includes all the necessary components to get your door working like new. This kit includes top and bottom brackets, pivots, and a guide wheel. The components are constructed of steel and plastic for durability. It's built to last and provide reliable performance. This kit is suitable for doors that are 1 to 3/8 inches thick and up to 50 pounds. It's designed to fit a wide range of bifold doors. Make sure to check the dimensions before ordering. The kit includes one jamb and floor mount pivot bracket, one bottom pivot, and several top pivot options. It's designed for easy installation. This kit is for one side set of doors. This replacement hardware is compatible with bifold doors from Acme, Alliance, and Kenna Frame, among others. The pivot guide works for a 1-inch wide track. It's a versatile solution for various door brands. Primeline specializes in repair and replacement hardware. This commitment to quality ensures that your repairs look as good as the initial install. It's the go-to solution for many customers. Before ordering, please refer to the line art for dimensions. Compare them with your needs to ensure a perfect fit. This will help you avoid any compatibility issues. What we like. This kit is designed for quick and easy repairs, perfect for restoring your bifold doors to their original functionality. It offers a wide compatibility, fitting various door types and brands. If you have a damaged bifold door and want a reliable, all-in-one solution, you should consider this kit. What people say. Fit my bifold door perfectly, it fixed what my kids broke. Easy to install. Easy to use and worked perfect. The quality is superb, much better than the old ones I removed. Everything you need is included in a nice molded package, bottom floor fitting is much more robust and really easy to adjust. Top guide wheel is much better quality and smooth, all the creaks and rattles have gone. Number 4. National Hardware N343-715 Folding Door Hardware Set. This is a complete hardware set for bifold doors. It includes everything you need for installation, making it a convenient choice for your needs. Installation is easy, saving you time and effort. You can quickly set it up and enjoy the benefits of this product. It allows full access to closets, maximizing your storage space. You'll find it easy to organize and retrieve your belongings. It is surface mount, and no mortising is required. This feature simplifies the installation process. It offers 4-way adjustability for smooth operation. This ensures the doors open and close effortlessly. The hardware is concealed, providing a clean look. It enhances the overall aesthetic of your space. What we like. This set provides everything you need for a complete bifold door installation, simplifying the process. The 4-way adjustability ensures smooth and precise door operation. If you're looking for a hassle-free, all-inclusive hardware solution for new or replacement doors, you should consider this. What people say. The hardware kit was easy to install. The doors now open and close smoothly. The kit included all the necessary components. Number 3. Primeline N6703 Bifold Closet Door Roller Guide. This is the Primeline N6703, a top roller guide for bifold closet doors. It's designed to make your doors function smoothly. This handy guide is easy to install. This roller guide is specifically designed for use on bifold closet doors. It ensures the doors open and close properly. It's a reliable solution for your closet door needs. The wheel has a 7/8-inch outside diameter. It's constructed with a durable nylon wheel and a sturdy plastic base. This design ensures long-lasting performance. This product is used by Kenna Frame and other bifolding door manufacturers. The roller guide shaft requires a 3/8-inch inside diameter hole. It's a versatile choice for many door systems. Installation is straightforward. It fits doors ranging from 1 to 3/8 inches in thickness. Before ordering, please check the dimensions to ensure a perfect fit. What we like. This top roller guide is specifically designed for bifold closet doors, ensuring smooth and quiet operation. The nylon construction provides durability and long-lasting performance. If you like a simple and effective solution to replace your worn-out top roller guide, you should consider this. What people say. The new one snapped into place easily, and I didn't even need special tools. The door now glides open and closed without any resistance. The spring-loaded design keeps everything aligned, and I haven't had any issues since installing them. These parts were easy to find and easy to install, and my door is working great now. If your bifold doors have lost the rollers in the upper track, you'll find these to be excellent replacements. Number 2. CRANACH Bifold Door Hardware Repair Kit. Is your bifold door giving you trouble? This CRANACH repair kit is here to help. It includes everything you need to fix your folding doors, saving you time and money. This kit comes with all the essential parts, including top and bottom brackets, pivots, and guide wheels. They are made with safe materials and are durable. The standard sizes make it easy to find the right fit for your door. Installation is a breeze. You won't need to make any extra adjustments. The built-in springs on the pivots and guide wheels ensure the door slides smoothly and easily. Made from steel and durable plastic, this kit is built to last. It's suitable for various doors, including closet, bedroom, and garage doors. It will make your doors look like new. Each package includes a detailed manual. CRANACH offers 24-hour customer service to assist you. Contact us anytime, and we'll make sure your issue is resolved. What we like. This kit includes a variety of parts in standard sizes, making repairs easier and saving you money. The durable materials ensure long-lasting performance. If you are looking for a comprehensive and cost-effective solution to fix your bifold doors, you should consider this. What people say. Really nice sturdy set that was a great retrofit for us. This kit was a solid, cost-effective solution that had my closet doors sliding smoothly again in no time. It includes all the essential components, pivots, guide wheels, brackets, and came with clear instructions, making installation quick and hassle-free. Everything felt sturdy, and the built-in springs made alignment a breeze. This hardware set allowed me to hang an old bifold door that had been sitting in my basement for 30 years. The original set was lost, and this set fit everything perfectly. Number 1. BUDONI Bifold Door Hardware Repair Kit. Are your bifold doors giving you trouble? This repair kit is designed to quickly fix them. It includes all the necessary parts to get them sliding smoothly again. The kit comes with top and bottom pivots, guide wheels, brackets, and fasteners. It's everything you need to repair doors up to 50 lbs and with tracks from 7/8 to 1 wide. Please note that the track and hinges are not included. Installation is simple with the included manual. You don't need to be a professional to restore your doors. This kit saves you money and brings your doors back to life. Made from stainless steel and nylon PA6 plastic, this hardware is built to last. The spring-loaded pivots and guide wheels prevent jams, ensuring smooth operation. This will extend the service life of the folding door. This kit is perfect for bifold cabinet doors, closet doors, and more. It gives any room a fresh look without replacing the entire door. It is suitable for many different types of doors. An installation manual with diagrams is included to guide you. If you have any issues, we're here to help. We are ready to help you until you are satisfied. What we like. This kit offers a complete range of parts, making it easy to restore your doors. The robust materials ensure long-lasting performance. If you like a complete and durable solution for your bifold door repair needs, you should consider this kit. What people say. The product works great. The design is well thought out. The hardware kit is easy to install. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.